Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, I have taught you about the art, literature, folklore, theatre, and dance of the Bangalore division. Yes, the Bangalore division has got the Jnanpith Award. Yes, among them, the poet K.V. Puttappa, that is Kuvempu, and the Masi Venkatesh Iyengar and U.R. Anantamurthy. These are belonging to the Bangalore division, and also Akkamadevi and Allam Prabhu. Yes, they are very important in the Vachana literature. Yes, and the Dasa Parampare, Sri Padarayaru and the Purandara Dasaru, they are the prominent Vachanakaras of this division. Yes, and also in the field of theatre, Gubbi Veeranna has remained eternal in the history of Karnataka theatre, and he had two titles. Yes, tell me which are they? It's very good. Nataka Ratna and Nataka Sarvabhauma are the titles of Gubbi Veeranna. And also he established a Gubbi theatre company. Yes. And Subbaya Naidu. Yes, he is also important person in the Kannada theatre company. And the first Kannada talkie movie, that is Sati Sulochana. Yes, he was the hero of that movie. And also there are so many important persons are there, like K. Hirannaya is there, and his son Master Hirannaya is also there. Yes, and the Srimati Maya Rao, who contributed immensely in the field of dancing. Yes, and also she established a school, that is Natya Saraswati, to teach the students dance. Yes, and also the film industries of Karnataka is growing very rapidly. Yes, and there are so many personalities are there, like Dr. Rajkumar is there. In the ancient time, the Rajkumar has immensely contributed the film industry, and also Vishnu and the Shankar Naga. Yes, the others are worthy of memory, and new wave films have also contributed immensely these days. Yes, so let us see education and health of Bengaluru division. Yes, so Bengaluru division has achieved immensely in the field of education. Yes, there are so many institutions of education are situated in the Bengaluru division. Two recipients of Bharat Ratna Award, the highest civilian honor of India. Yes, and are from Kolar district of Bengaluru division. Yes, they are first one Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Yes, so and also Professor C.N.R. Rao. Yes, both of belongs to Bengaluru division. Yes, and the the highest civilian honor of India, that is Bharat Ratna. Yes, they have got. Yes, and Sir C.V. Raman. Yes, Sir C.V. Raman, he got the Nobel Prize. Yes, in the physics. Yes, which he conducted his research in Bengaluru. Yes, so next one is Bengaluru is an important center of education, as you know, and there are many famous public and private universities in this division. Yes, there are so many private universities is also there. Yes, along with Bangalore University also is an important university of Bengaluru. Yes, and apart from this, there are many central research and scientific laboratories too. Yes, not only education institutions, there are so many research and scientific laboratories also there. Yes, so Tumkuru, Bengaluru, Shimoga, and Davanagere have universities. Yes, so Tumkuru there have one university, Bengaluru it has also Bengaluru University, Shimoga there is also university, and Davanagere it is also their university. And there is an agriculture university in Bengaluru. Yes, you can see that picture of Bengaluru University, that is Agriculture University of Bengaluru. And the government is encouraging primary education since pre-independence period. Yes, as you know, there are so many government schools are there which provide free education to the students. Yes, and so many facilities also they are giving to the students, and by that method they are encouraging primary education since pre-independence period. Yes, and many religious institutions are providing education. Yes, not only government institutions, so there are so many institutions that are belonging to the religious center also. Yes, so like Siddheshwar Matha, a religious institution is there, and it is providing food and education to thousands of students under the leadership of Sri Shivkumara Swamiji. Yes, you can observe. Yes, there is a Siddhganga Matha in the Tumkuru district, and the Sri Shivkumara Swamiji was the president of that Matha. Yes, so now they are no more. Yes, and another Matha is there, that is Adi Chinchanaguri Matha. Yes, you can observe. Yes, you can see this picture. So this is Adi Chinchanagiri Matha, and it being developed by Sri Balgangadhar Natha Swamiji, and it is still providing education in the field of basic and professional education. Yes, so there are two religious institutions are there. First one is Sri Siddhganga Matha. Yes, and the another one is Sri Adi Chinchanagiri Matha. Yes, these two institutions are providing education in the field of basic and professional education. Yes, and the contribution of Murugarajendra Matha and Sirigere Taralabalu are notable. Yes, not only these two mathas, so Murugarajendra Matha and the Sirigere Taralabalu Matha of Chitradurga. Yes, they are also contributing in the education field, and most of the district of this division have engineering college and medical colleges too. Yes, so there are so many districts which have engineering college and the medical college. Yes, so Bangalore division has achieved a considerable progress in the field of health. Yes, so there are so many multinational hospitals are there. Yes, like Apollo Hospital is there, Jaydev Hospital is there. Yes, Kidwai Cancer Hospital is there. So it has contained a contagious disease. Yes, and also infant death rates have been reduced drastically. Yes, so infant death rate of children. Yes, below the 1 year, those children who got died, so that we called infant death rate of children. So that have been reduced drastically. Yes, and smallpox and polio have been eradicated completely. Yes, hence our India is free of polio disease from the 2015. Yes, so India is free from polio disease. Yes, so monkey disease is prevalent in the forest region of Shivamogga has also been eradicated. Yes, that is a monkey disease which can find in the forest regions of Shivamogga district has been also eradicated. And in spite of all these efforts, children and women in rural areas are still malnourished. Yes, so they are not getting nutritious food. Yes, so they are facing malnutrition problem. Yes, and also in rural areas, primary health centers and health sub centers provide needed medical facilities. Yes, in the every talukas and in every village there are primary health centers, and that are providing health facilities who needed medical facilities. Yes, and every district center has a well equipped district hospital. Yes, each district center that has a equipped district hospital. And also bigger town villages have community health center. Yes, in every big town and the villages they have community health center, that is Samudayak Arogya Kendra. Yes, and taluka centers have taluka hospitals. Yes, taluka Arogya Aspatre. Yes, and the government has established primary health centers which function 24/7 to ensure safe delivery. Yes, nowadays government is also facilitated the 24/7 facility to ensure safe delivery. Yes, for those who are pregnant. Yes, and mobile health facilities are there to provide better facilities to pregnant women. Yes, so mobile health facilities also providing for the pregnant women like Nagu Magu. Yes, this is a program of Karnataka, and that Nagu Magu ambulance is helping for the pregnant women. Yes, during the delivery time. Yes, so this is all about the health and education of Bangalore division. So let us see cultural resources. Yes, so Bangalore division is very rich culturally. Yes, as you know, there are so many dances are there and so many traditions are there. Yes, and the Karga festival, which are celebrated by the every year by the Bengaloreans. Yes, and it is rich with forest, wild animals, rivers, valleys, religious places, tourist centers, cultural festivals, and others. So Bangalore, it has a forest area. Shimoga district, it has a dense forest area. Wild animals also is there. There are so many bird sanctuaries and national park is also there. Rivers like Sharavati, yes, and so many rivers Vedavati, Sharavati, Kali, Shimsha. Yes, there are so many rivers which flows in this Bangalore division, and valleys is also there, and religious places. Yes, religious places is also there, and tourist centers and cultural festivals also belonging to this Bangalore division. So political stalwarts have also contributed to the development of the state, and the chief minister, the chief architect of Karnataka integration, yes, his name is Kengal Hanumantaya, is from this division. Yes, so you can observe Kengal Hanumantaya. So he is known as a chief architect of Karnataka integration. Yes, so he was a former chief minister of Karnataka, and he was born in 14th February 1908, and he was died in 1st December in the 1980. So he is known as the architect of Karnataka integration. Yes, and he belongs to Bengaluru division. Next, the Vidhan Sauda, yes, where it is? It is in Bengaluru. Yes, Suvarna Sauda, that is in Belgaum. Yes, so Vidhan Sauda building was built during his tenure as the chief minister. Yes, when the Kengal Hanumantaya was CM of Karnataka, during his period, Vidhan Sauda was built. Yes, and he was a chief minister of that time. So another pioneer of Karnataka integration movement is S. Nijlingappa. Yes, you can see his picture, S. Nijlingappa. So he is known also maker of modern Karnataka. Yes, he was born in December 10, 1902 Common Era, and August 8, 2000 he was died. Yes, so S. Nijlingappa also undertook many important programs aimed at building a strong state. Yes, so Shantiveri Gopal Gowda, who laid the solid foundation of socialist movement in Karnataka and is from Shivamogga district. Yes, another person, his name is Shantiveri Gopal Gowda. So, who laid the solid foundation of socialist movement in Karnataka, and he was from Shivamogga district of Bengaluru division. Next, Salumarada Timmakka. Yes, so Salumarada Timmakka is the synonym for environment protection. Yes, so he so her contribution towards growing the trees is very important in the Karnataka. Yes, so Anil Kumble, yes, Anil Kumble has contributed immensely in the field of cricket. Yes, as you know, he is a cricketer. And BKS Iyengar and Sri Raghavendra Swamiji from Malladihalli, who have contributed notably in the field of yoga, are from this division. Is BKS Iyengar. He is known as the father of yoga, modern father of yoga. Yes, BKS Iyengar. And there are many Sinsi plays in this division. Yes, there are so many Sinsi plays in this Bangalore division. So let us see freedom fighter. Yes. So many prudent people from the Bangalore division had taken part in the national freedom struggle. Yes, there are so many people which are taken part in the national freedom struggle. Yes, among them K.C. Reddy is there. Yes, K.C. Reddy is there. The first chief minister of Mysuru state. Yes, K.C. Reddy, he was the first chief minister of Mysuru state. Yes, and the second chief minister, that is Kengal Hanumantaya. Yes, so Kengal Hanumantaya, he was the second minister, and the first chief minister of Karnataka, K.C. Reddy. Yes, that is Mysuru state. Yes, so next another chief minister, S. Nijlingappa. Yes, another chief minister is S. Nijlingappa. He was a socialist leader. Yes, and also socialist leader Shantiveri Gopal Gowda, S. Kadidala Manjappa, T. Sharma, Bhagirathamma and many others have participated in the freedom struggle. Yes, and among them, Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Najlingappa were also the architects of Karnataka integration movement. Yes. So important two persons are there. They are the Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Najlingappa. Both are known as the architects of Karnataka integration movement. Next, so this is all about the freedom fighters and the cultural resource of the Bengal division. Yes. So in the next class, you will come to know more about this in the next chapters. Okay. So question answer I will explain after the completion of the Bengaluru division. Okay, don't worry about that. I will explain from first to last of the Bengaluru division. Okay, so thank you for watching video.